I'm out front in Riverside Homes here in Silverleaf, St. Johns County, Florida. Silverleaf's one of the biggest master plan communities after Nocatee here in St. Johns County. And there's just not a ton of information out there on it. So stick around with me and let me fill you in on what's coming up. And also a little extra bonus, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the Ortega Model, a very spacious ranch style home by one of my favorite builders, Riverside Homes. Check it out. This is the Ortega Model here in Silverleaf Village by Riverside Homes. I love ranch styles, but this one has the option of a bonus or a fifth bedroom upstairs. If you love my tours, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, and the alert button for future tours. The Ortega Model base is about 2,700 square feet. As you enter the home, in this corner to the right, you have 2 bedrooms divided by a bath. You're gonna love these huge high ceilings, big windows, lots of natural light, double door closet. Another linen closet in the hallway. Your bath has double vanity and another linen closet in the bathroom. You can never have enough space. In the second bedroom, you have another double door closet with a single window. On the left corner, you have your guest suite or in-law suite. What I love about these Riverside Model home is the high ceilings. This guest suite has its own bath shower combo. And then this is the optional bonus room. You choose to add it onto the home. It adds another 600 square foot. You can even add a door and make it a 5th bedroom if you like. It's a massive bonus room. But check out this gorgeous views on the lake. Nice big walk-in closet. And its own bath. So with this walk-in closet and its own bath, it could be turned into a bedroom with the addition of a door for a few $100. And this is your door to your AC. As you come down from the bonus room, you have your mudroom. This is the door from your 3-car garage. And your laundry room with a sink, plenty of cabinet space. Really well done. These are porcelain plank floors. Again, check out these gorgeous high ceilings. And then as you come out into the foyer here, you have a nice big open floor plan with sliders. To your left is a flex space. Seldomly, it's sometimes used as a formal dining. Nice big open floor plan living room. Opens up to the kitchen. Again, gorgeous cabinets all the way up to the high ceilings with plenty of space. And then a nice size walk-in pantry. Double oven. Nice gas stove. farmer sink. If you don't opt to use the dining room and keep it a flex space, this is plenty of room for formal dining right off to the kitchen. Beautiful sliders. In this corner we have the primary. Gorgeous bay windows. Gotta love the interesting chandelier. Huge windows right in your master to keep it really light and bright with natural light. And then you enter the primary bath. You have a nice large shower. And standalone tub with the window. In the back is your WC, double vanity, and the primary closet. So again, the Ortega has 4 bedrooms downstairs, and then you can add the bonus upstairs or make it a 5th bedroom. And of course, in Florida, you're gonna make great use of your outdoor space. And this is Silverleaf Village. Currently, Silverleaf Village is in Silverleaf is actually pretty much sold out. So if you have interest, right now they are selling in Silver Landing. So just to give you an understanding of this master plan community, currently we're here in Silverleaf Village, and now they're starting to sell down here in Silver Landing, which has about 900 homes. And this is the next phase. This is an overview map of Silverleaf, which I'm calling it at least the next Nocatee, if you will. If you want to live in the 20 mile of Silverleaf Village, they'll be selling in Johns Island here starting in May, June. They'll be releasing those 70 and 80 foot lots. So again, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this Ortega model by Riverside Homes. And I hope you will stick around for the next tour of the Sebring model or the Sawyer model by Riverside Homes. This is Greg DeTullio of Give Back Realty. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and also press alerts for future videos. Thanks for hanging out with me.